If you regularly shop on Tata brands like Big Basket, Tanishq, Titan, Chroma, Tata 1 milligram, or even Air India, the HDFC Tata Neu Plus credit card is worth considering. You earn 7% value back as new coins, 2% on spending at Tata brands, plus an additional 5% when transacting via the Tata Neu app or website. You also get 1% value back on UPI payments made through the Tata Neu app with a cap of 500 new coins per month. Grocery and utility spends have their own monthly caps. The card offers 4 complimentary domestic airport lounge accesses per year, provided you spend at least 50,000 rupees in the previous quarter. It also comes with a fuel surcharge waiver and works on RuPay network, enabling UPI rewards. However, the 3.5% Forex markup fee makes it unsuitable for international use. The annual fee is 499 rupees plus GST, but it can be waived off with 1 lakh rupees yearly spent. Final verdict. If your spending is aligned with Tata brands or you prefer UPI based rewards, this card offers excellent value and lifestyle benefits with minimal cost. Definitely a smart pick for Tata loyalists. But do your own research in a good way. Thank you.